Mama, we can't let this opportunity pass us by. Yes, now. You and I know that if I marry Aham, all our problems will be solved. Persuade Chief. Put fire so that his son can propose. Trap him with pregnancy. Someone who hasn't even as much as touched me with a stick. How am I going to do that? He's been turning down all my advances. You have to do something, oh. You have to do something. Put more fire. Put fire. Hey. We don't have any much time, oh. Okay, oh. I'll keep trying. But from your end too, put fire. Yeah. Okay, oh. I don't even know if he's a man. Say my regards to Nkiru. Okay, Mama. I've run out of tricks. I have run out of tricks.
No, so you have to be strong. You have to be very, very strong, like a man you are. Eh? And I have this confidence in me that one day you will make it. You will make it big.
Would you make it in on? Make it how? Eh?
I don't know, but you
how will I make it without anything? Somebody can make it without nothing. Eh?
I warned you then, oh. I warned you when you were doing all these things. Now look at it. You see? You're thinking, always thinking.
Some money.
Ijoma, you need some money for what? What do you need some money for? Look, let me tell you, I will not tolerate you frustrating my brother. It's not possible. I will not take it too. I've just told you.
Ujungwa, I don't understand. I have my personal needs.
I don't care.
I need some money.
If you like, have your public need. I don't have money. Yes.
Now, so you give me money. Okay. I need some money. I have to take care of myself.
No, sir. You both have to go with me right now. Your father is dead.
Huh?
Yes.
Wait, how?
It is your father that is dead. Your father is dead.
Your father is dead.
I know you're doing all this for us because you want us to be happy. But how can I be happy when I feel we are burden to your good family? My husband had always wanted our daughter Linda to get married and settle down. Oh well, he did not live to see that wish come to pass.
Okay.
Oh, do you know that he was already making plans on ground as the kind of marriage he wants for his favorite daughter, Linda?
Obioma is okay. When the time is right, she will be happily married. We don't want to force Afam into it.
Yes, you're right. My husband had always wanted her to...
Obioma, I'll talk to my son, Afam, to hasten the marriage proposals with your daughter. Myself, I need grandchildren.
Hey, Chief, please. I hope I've not done anything wrong.
Don't mind her. Sometimes she's like that.
Thank you, Chief.
You're welcome.
God bless you, sir.
That's all right. That's all right.
Chief, please. I don't know, because of this fuel scarcity. I don't know how much Okada will charge. Because don't be offended, though. Because how, if it's possible, sir. I'm begging, sir.
Okay, your transport.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where is this girl? Veronica.
Veronica!
Babe, you never dress.
Babe, I'm not getting strength for tonight's hustling. I'm feeling sick.
Another belly don't enter.
You did crazy. I mean, get out of here.
Anyway, I dey come. I dey come.
Chai, you don't see? I didn't know that this Azuka is this wicked. Very wicked woman.
Nayon, your brother's daughter have seen what she have caused herself. Why would she go to that extent of killing Oboch?
No, no, I like it like that. I like it like that. By the time she rots in jail, then I will have time to claim that belongs to me. Yes, that workshop is mine.
Nayon, but you and I know that she is fighting for her right. It belongs to her.
Mejonu before I break your head. Belongs to what? That workshop belongs to me. That workshop belongs to her father. It's just because I left her. Look, get her from here. Rubbish.
No.
I don't understand you anymore.
Jude, me, I don't know what you want me to say. I know they do again. I don't want to do again. I'll soon become someone's wife.
But you're not yet a wife. Baby, please. Let me spoil you this time. Let's hang out tonight.
You and who? Lele. You and who? I beg my friend, go nyash down. Don't be say they even give person better money. Eh? All this your chicken change, 10,000, 20,000.
Okay. I'll give you 200,000 naira this night.
Jude, I don't hear you well. Talk am again.
You heard me right.
200,000.
Yes.
Hey, Jude, you be like say you don't hammer. Jude, you for tell me say you don't hammer. Oh. Hey, yeah. Make I go get my bag. Eh?
Do that. Mugu, you go hear her tonight.
Barrister Paul, please help me. Yes, I'm ready to give it to you. Any style you want. Yes, she didn't kill him. He was found dead in the shop. Okay, thank you.
What is it?
Babe, it's my sister. She was accused of killing one man. The man was found dead in her workshop. Just because they were having little issue, she was accused of killing him. Police people now came and arrested her. I've called Barrister Paul. I have to rush to the village and give it to him anyhow he wants, so he can help me bail my sister.
There is nothing to worry about, Hell. Because there is no case. There is no evidence against her. Yes. I beg, cheer up. That's one aside, God, no. Hey! Guess what? It be like say, Jude don't hammer. Jude now. Hey! Jude says he will give me 200,000 naira. I'm telling you. Hey! I'm going with him.
Babe, just wait. It's very risky. You know Afam is in this town. Don't spoil your chance of marrying him.
Baby, you a cute joy now. Why you want on my spirit? Why you want kill this joy, eh? Just this last one. 200,000 naira. 200,000 naira is involved. see judo from 10,000 to 20,000 to 200,000 naira. Hey, I beg God, I beg. Just this one, this last one. For this economy, I need this money. Or they come.
It's very risky. You no go hook you this time.
You know that I'm here. I wanted to take you unawares.
Hey! I'm just too much.
Linda, what is it? I'm here waiting for you. This same guy again? Who is this guy?
Baby, ask me. Ask me, oh. Baby, ask me. I don't know this guy. He's been pestering my life. I have told him I don't want to be your girlfriend. Am I the only fine girl in this country? Eh?
Hey, my guy, listen to me. She doesn't want you. Leave her alone. Leave her life alone. I want you to stay clear from her. Understand? Oh, I see. Sorry, guy. But if you know the ground you are digging. Anyway, it's your turn.
You are mad. You are very, very stupid. Idiot. Baby.
What's the meaning of that?
I don't understand though. See me, oh. Eh? Let's leave this guy because he wants to cause problems between us. Idiot. I don't know who sent him. He should be one of those gatesmen, I be guards somewhere. I don't know. He's always standing here like a bird. Let's go.
I am no longer happy. What does she really want?
These people, they're really pestering us. They are pushing it too hard.
What do you want me to do? I made a promise to Nancy and I must fulfill it.
I know. This woman is putting pressure on us. Now you have to go force our son to propose to a lady when he is not ready.
Oh, woman, you worry a lot. Were you not the one who was worried before? If our son will agree to marry her. Now he has accepted. What is she on? Allow them be. If he wants to please his father, so be it. The girl is pretty. She's from a good home. She has good training. Please, I don't want this poor widow to be crying over upon my head every night. Whatever she wants, we'll give them. So far we can afford it.
Nobody is talking about being pretty here. We are talking about the happiness of our son. And our son is yet to know this lady.
You should stop worrying yourself. Sister will come back tomorrow. Barrister Paul is on the matter. I took him to the place. Please, don't worry, she will come back.
And if she don't come back, I will not go to school today. I will go to the police station and fight.
Irene, you know my daughter did not kill Mazi. Mazi went to that shop to kill himself.
That man is evil. She knew that if he died there, sister would be in trouble. But his plans have failed. God will punish him even in death. Just because of common Iroko tree. Obi, I will stop crying, yeah? Your mommy will be fine.
Leave me alone.
It's beautiful.
You promised to make me the happiest man.
I promise. I promise to love and cherish you forever. This means a lot to me.
Oh, my friend is taken. I'm
so happy for you. Thank you so much. You can see that again. It's pretty.
Wow. Soon you'll be off the market.
Soon. Hey, my sister, I am off the market.
You can say that again.
Hey.
Wow.
My dear, in all honesty, my father's death brought me luck. Telling you.
Are you trying to say you're happy that your dad is late?
No, that's not what I'm trying to say. Where is my roommate?
She called. She said her illness is getting serious and her mom didn't let her go. But I'll see her tomorrow.
Poor her. I would have loved to go with you, but I have a date with my man.
Oh yeah? Let me see this ring again, like, wow. Oh, this is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey. I'm so happy for you.
My dear, thank you.
Nobody fit hold am. Anyhow you want them, she dey. If na trouble, she go double am. Today, when you see trouble, make you no run.
Zuka, that's how she has been. Oh, she came back from school. Like this, thank God you are out.
No problem. I am back now. Mama told me how you work hard for my babe. Do not worry. Do not worry. Where's Obiani?
He has gone to school.
I'm going to my shop.
Which shop?
My shop.
You're just coming back. You have not paid. You have not taken anything. Don't you want to?
Yes, Mama, I'm going to my shop to remove that nonsense that they put there.
Go inside.
Mama, I'm going to my shop.
Which shop? Go inside.
I'm going to remove that thing they put in my shop. Why is the problem? The useless man, if he wants to die, why has he decided to die inside my shop? Am I the one that said his son should go about impregnating girls and putting them in the family way? It is me that is going to kill them. I'm going to my shop to remove that nonsense. Go, I'm going.
But be careful, oh. Don't let him touch you. Scatter him.
So your girlfriend, your roommate, has been in the village?
Yes. They decided to treat her the native way.
You know, some native medicine is more effective to some ailment.
True. I hope and pray she gets better before our wedding. I cannot afford her absence. I need her to take care of things.
She'll be fine.
Amen. I pray. Baby, I want expensive ashwabis for my girls, my mom, and the members of our club.
But I've told you that I don't want expensive wedding. I've said it.
Baby, wedding is a once in a lifetime. Besides, I'm a woman. I want a classy wedding.
You want a classy wedding. See, Ashebi meeting, they do have their uniform. Your mom's people should come with their uniform. Understand? Not that I don't have the money, not because of the money, but because I just don't want to spend unnecessarily.
Baby, please don't even go there. Their uniforms are all worn out and local. Oh, I do not want them wearing their uniforms to my wedding. Please, baby, just do something, please.
It's alright, I will think about it. But how much are we looking at here?
There's this one I saw on Instagram. It's this one. It's 100,000 naira per person, and I have about 5 persons. This one, the members of my mom. I chose this for them. And this one is 400,000 naira. That's for one person. And they're about Auntie Fiona, Auntie Choma.
Harry, sit up and take your drugs, oh? Try. Gently. Take. Yeah. What kind of sickness is this? Huh?
Mama, let us take her to the hospital and run some tests. You have given her malaria medicine. You have given her typhoid medicine. You have given her Piclos for boil. You have given her vitamin C. She's not getting better. Let's run some tests so that we know what we are treating.
You are right. I don't know what kind of sickness is this one, no. I don't know.
Mama, how's it go? She'll be fine. Let's take her to the hospital so we know what is wrong. Eh?
Sorry. Let's go and run some tests.
Honey, we don't need to throw money around unnecessarily. We don't need all those flashy things. No. For me, I did prefer a very simple wedding.
I see with you. That's why let's wait for Bioma to come so we can put our heads together and plan a very simple but nice wedding for our kids.
But you know your son. He doesn't have patience for all those things.
Just like me too. I don't have patience for this extravagant wedding. We can wait for the things to be.
Biko, I'm sorry, please. Biko, Chief. Good afternoon, sir. Biko.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I want to take care of other things for the wedding. Biko.
It's a bad deal.
Veronica!
Yes, ma'am. Welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Veronica, go and get her a seat. Be fast about it.
Obama, we're actually waiting for you so that we can put heads together and then plan how to give our children a simple but nice wedding.
Yes. Yes, Chief.
From this side, we have perfected our arrangements. I don't know from your side, apart from foods, drinks, and few other things, what else would you need?
I need clothes and handbags.
Yes.
For me and my daughter Nkiru.
That's all right.
Yes. But Chief, most importantly, I need ashwebi for my club women. A special ashwebi for them. What is very important, Biko?
Obioma, that ashwebi isn't necessary. I believe your club has their own uniform. I belong to a club. We have our uniform and we are wearing it on that day. This wedding we are talking about is just for a day.
Yes. My wife is correct. I think this ashwebi thing, we'll put it on hold. Let's talk about other things.
What do you think you are doing? Eh? Why are you removing the barricade?
Uncle, I am removing the barricade from my shop. I'm removing the barricade from my shop.
You've removed them, eh?
Yes.
You've removed them.
I removed it.
You see, because you have a big lawyer friend. So, look, you are not free, oh.
Okay.
You are not free.
Uncle, we will die here. If anybody comes to my shop again, I will kill that person. I will not let go of my shop for anybody. This is my father's shop. I will not live here.
You will hear from the elders.
I'm waiting.
You will hear from the elders.
I'm waiting.
This shop belongs to me.
It belongs to me.
You will see Azuka.
You are not my father.
You are a wicked woman.
My father is not your father. It's not your shop.
Okay.
I'm waiting, Uncle.
Go and call the elders. I'm waiting.
Make you no run, Azuka, very hot, biggie wahala.
Just because I'm a poor widow, just because I have no one to help me, Udensi, you left when we needed you most. I have no one to help me. I'm lonely.
Obioma, please stop. It hurts to see you cry and pouring out all these lamentations. And it's not necessary now, please.
Obi, biko no zone bezina. Stop crying.
Can I stop? Just look at me. I have no one but God. Zozo Chuku Kamwe. I have nobody but God. Hi, Jim. Hi.
Obioma.
Sir?
Is it because of this Achebe thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's all right. I'll provide you money for it. I said I'm going to give you money for it.
Hey, Chief. Is well mad. God bless you. May the God of widows bless you. Amen. Chief, Opoponam Bataye Abongozi. All shall fall for you in pleasant places. God bless you, sir.
I think you need to go home now and relax and plan out other things so that we'll continue with our arrangements.
But, Chief, when? The wedding is already at the corner. Can we meet here up?
Do I send my driver to you to get you the money, or you come? Anyone?
Okay. Whichever way, sir. Thank you, sir. Chief, I don't know. Honestly, I actually wasted time because I had to trek from my house. Yes, I'm not know if it's possible, because no matter how small, one key had to change Biko, so I can enter Okada back to my house. I'm with Rika.
For your transport?
Yes. Udensi, in a situation like this, I'll miss my husband.
Obioma, it's all right. It's for your transport fare.
Oh.
Don't worry, I'll give it to you. Call this girl to get me my wallet.
Veronica!
Veronica!
So how is Irene feeling now?
She's getting better.
And our friend Linda, her wedding, I brought the Ashebi, so she won't be able to attend.
To think she told me about this, your friend Linda's wedding since. She cannot attend it though. She's not strong enough to attend.
Yeah. It's well, but you can come for her, at least to represent her. You know why? Our friend Linda's husband promised to give all the Ashebi girls 20,000 naira each. Just for attending, yes.
I don't know them.
And don't worry, it will be a long way for her treatment.
Thank you. Let me greet Linda and her husband.
I will.
I'll be there.
Please do take care of her. How is Mama?
Mama is fine.
Thank you. Okay? All right then.
Bye.
It's all right.
What is this in this cup? When did it start?
It started 2 days ago. But it's getting worse by the day.
Sorry. Easy. You need water, sorry. So tell me. So, what are you expecting tonight? You know, after wedding gifts.
I hope there will be wedding gifts.
Why do you say so?
Because the man I'm getting married to lacks emotions.
How do you know?
Before now, I have tried severally to have him make love to me. But he keeps turning me down. Yes, he turns me down.
Why?
I don't know. He says after the wedding. I hope so. I hope he keeps to his promise.
So excited. How do you feel?
You know, today's supposed to be the happiest day of my life, but I'm not feeling it. All this is my father's idea.
I understand, but you have to stay positive. Today is your day. Man, today is your day. You need to stay positive and remain positive.
Good.
I'm good to go there. Cheer up, man.
I am set. Yeah.
That's good.
College. Afam. Technical College, Azuka. It's me.
Azuka.
Is that you? Afam.
Azuka.
I'm the one. It's me. It's Azuka.
Jesus.
Afam. Azuka! The technical college, it's me! Where have you been? Technical college!
See, this is insane. You cannot cancel a wedding on your wedding morning. Everyone, including your parents, even the priest, at the church waiting for you.
I don't care. I am not in for this wedding anymore. Can't you see that fate brought us back again? Can't you see? See, I love Azuka. Azuka happens to be my first love. I've missed her before, but not anymore. I will not miss her the second time.
Afam, I understand you well. But in this one, count me out. I am not in support of you. Oh, your dad is calling. What do I tell him?
Tell him whatever you want.
Hello, sir. You are coming, sir.
How could you? I mean, why did you bring in that piece of trash to my wedding? Why did you bring her here to spoil my day? Why?
I'm sorry. I didn't know she and Afam know each other.
You're sorry. You're sorry. What did I ever do to you? No, tell me, what did I ever do to you? Now Aham isn't ready to go on with the wedding anymore.
He will come back to his senses. I'll go talk with him.
Pray he does. Pray he does, because if anything goes wrong, I will not ever forgive you. Where is my phone? Don't touch me. Mama. Mama. Mama, come to the hotel, please. Just come to the hotel. I don't know.
I've been looking for you. I mean, I won't let you go.
Afam. Hi. Afam. I don't know what to say. Will it be wrong if I say I'm not happy to see you, or I'm happy to see you?
I am happy to see you. It has been long. See, Azoka, I still love you.
Please, let's not go there. Please. I do not want any trouble. You are getting married to somebody else today. She does not deserve this. At least not today. I don't want to hear it. Please, because...
Azoka, you don't even understand. I have been pleading to God, begging God to bring you back to me. And he answered my prayers. I won't let you go.
No, you have to let me go. And don't come and wait for me. I don't want to be part of this. I don't want any problems. Please.
Azoka.
No.
Please, Afam, don't cancel this wedding with Linda. I beg you with everything I hold dear to me. Don't do this. My friend is already blaming it on me. She thinks I'm the cause. I was the one that invited Azoka.
You invited Azoka to the wedding?
Yes, I went to the village. I invited Irene. She couldn't come because she's ill. So she asked Azoka to replace her.
Can you do me a favor? Can you please take me to her village, please?
No. Afam, forget about Azoka. She's gone. Please.
Please, Afam. Don't do this.
Of what use? Of what use? Of what use? This marriage will not hold.
Afam, please. Don't do this.
Chidi, please. Azoka has awoken every feelings I buried when I lost her. See, I love her. I love her so much with all my heart. She's the only woman that understands me. See, I love her with all my heart. Is it a crime for me to fall in love? Is it a crime for me to go for what my heart decides? Please, I want you both to help me find love again.
Afam, you're my friend, and you deserve the best. I think we have to...
I'll take you to her. Yes.
You will take me to her?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It is not your fault. How would you have known that? The person getting married now is the same person you fell in love with in technical school.
Mama, I don't know. Mama, I do not know. Eh?
Stop worrying. Oh? Stop worrying. You have not done anything wrong. Nobody. And you did the right thing by coming home here first. Azuka, go and change your clothes and forget it.
I will not, son. I will not. After many years of hard work, allow you drag our family's reputation to the mud.
Father, I will not go back from my words. If you like disown me, you see, Linda, I will not marry Linda. I have never loved her for one day, and I will not.
Chief, calm down. Afam might be right. Have you ever considered maybe our son does not love this girl in question?
It does not matter. And I repeat, it does not matter. Your opinion does not hold water. Henceforth, not now, and not anymore.
Oh, okay. My opinion does not hold water, right? Okay. And I have said my own, and my own is final. I will not marry that girl, and nothing on this earth will make me to marry her.
I bet you will regret it. No.
Mama, how am I supposed to introduce Afam to Obiago now? Better still, how am I supposed to tell Obiago about Afam? Eh? I don't know. I don't understand what I want to do there.
Asuka, this could be how God wants this boy to meet his father.
Hey, but he should have married that girl by now. If I hadn't gone there, he would have been married to that girl by now. I don't want any trouble. Yes, I want Obiago to meet his father, but I don't want any confusion. And I'm pitying for the girl. I want to raise my son myself without any problem, because I will not give Obiago to him alone to take and go. Huh.
What? Everything is in the hands of God. There's nothing you can do about it. Oh?
Whoever that girl is, I must kill her. I cannot allow her to take food away from my mouth. I'm Ujomonte. Hey? Onandro Konive. Am I dreaming?
Mama, you have to do something. You have to do something, and very fast.
I will.
You have to do something, please. Please.
No, trust me.
Do something, oh hey.
Trust me, I'm your mother. I must kill that girl. Why? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Why? I promise you, for that girl, I must get rid of her. Trust me on this. Onne. Pico. Why? Easy.
I did not know how to find you. I didn't know what to do. All I heard was that you left technical school and traveled abroad. I don't know how to start. I don't want to remember.
It's okay. I promise you that it will not repeat itself again. See, this time, I will not leave you. I will not. I will not die than to leave you. See, you mean so much to me. Let me tell you something. I want to marry you. Yes.
Young man, come back here. I said, come back here. This is the first time you are disobeying my orders. Why? Afam?
I have a son, Dad. Azuka has 9-year-old boyfriend.
What are you talking about?
I went to check Azuka in her village, only for me to find out that she had a boy for me. Dad, you're a father. You know what it feels for your own flesh and blood.
Afam, you can go now. Give your father something.
Afam, I am not happy. What you are saying now is not my problem. If you want to have a relationship with your son, we'll talk about it. Right now, my problem is my sister that is sick. I don't want her to die.
Your sister will not die. She'll be fine. Leave it for me. See, I will not take only my son, but I'm here to take both of you.
What about the lady?
She's okay. We will settle her. See, it was just a promise my father gave to her father. I don't even feel it. At all. I haven't even seen her as a woman. It was God that even saved me.
Afam, I don't want any trouble. I don't want anybody fighting me and threatening my life. Just take your son and let me be. Please.
It's like we're saying the same thing. Nobody will fight you. I want both of us to... I want all of us to be one family. See, whatever that it will take to take care of you, I'm capable of it. Please.
My family have gone through a lot of pain as a result of what your son did. All this while, he just wanted to use my daughter and dump her. Afam, you will never get away with this.
Obioma, don't threaten my son in my own house. And let me warn you, my family owe your family nothing. We've had enough of your emotional blackmail.
After killing my husband with Densi, my husband died for your husband. And this is what you have to say. Chief, after all the promises you made on his dying bed.
I think I've had enough of all this blackmail. Obioma, I've decided to compensate your family with a sum of 2 million naira.
Chief, you tried. Manabiko, please. We're talking about human being here. Come up. Oh, the very important. Come up.
I said 2 million, and that's all I will give you.
It's okay.
After all, our children have the right to love and to be loved. Our duty as parents is to allow them choose their own happiness. Afam, you have the right to choose who you want to marry.
Thank you, Father.
You have my support.
Thank you, Father.
Go and bring my daughter-in-law and my grandchild.
Yes, so Afam, go and bring my daughter-in-law and my grandchild. I can't wait to hold my grandchild. Bioma, you can go now. The money will get to you later.
Okay, Chief said 2 million. You heard what she said? It will get to you soon.
Later.
Sorry, please. Oh, when exactly? Soon is soon will be generalized.
Chief, please. If you go as a widow.
You know here is a big man area. I don't know if I can even get Okada. Because I may want money for drop.
Obioma, I said you can go now. There is no money for taxi or drop.
Okay. Very far distance. I don't... It's today public holiday. Am I asking you? Oh my God, I don't know. Or bank. If they are open today.
Please go and get my daughter-in-law and my grandchild.
No, so I have forgiven you. I don't have anything against you. Oh, there's no problem at all. Biko.
Thank you. Auka, thank you so much. Obiago, thank you. You see how life is. Look at me. 2 wives. Over one market, over one market. I don't know again. Please, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Anyways, I'll also be leaving back to my husband's house. So I'm going to be leaving my shop, my workshop. I'm handing it over to you.
Huh? It's a lie.
It is very lucrative. All you have to do is work very hard. And you will not suffer.
Hey! Who am I? Who am I? I will turn to Carpenter. Don't worry, I will take care of it. You see that workshop? I will take care of it. Yes. Even the remaining of the Iroko tree.
Yes. Work hard, like my mom.
I will work hard. More than your mommy.
Thank you.
God will bless you more than you expect. Hey! Who am I? Bye bye.
Thank you.
Hey.
Mommy, I am happy that my father is rich. I'm going to enjoy in his house.
Yes. Yes. You enjoy.
Who is that? Azuka, do you want me to kill you? No, answer me. Do you want me to kill you?
Uncle, what is the problem? What is the problem again?
You're asking me? You're asking me what the problem is? You mean you have the mind to give my workshop to somebody who is not from our family? It will never happen.
Uncle,
it will not.
It is not your workshop. It is my father's workshop. My own workshop. Nonso's father died inside that shop. So I gave it to him. Me, as you can see, I'm packing to my husband's house. So if you have a problem, go there and fight it out. You can kill yourselves for all I care.
Uncle, if you look for our trouble again, my dad is going to call police for you.
My son, there's no police in this matter. No police. Azuka, why now?
Uncle, you can be humble like this.
My voice is fine. It's nice sometimes. You know, Azuka, you know now. Yeah, I mean, how can you do that to me? Okay, just think now. By the time you go to your husband's place, who will take care of your mommy and your father's land? Is it not me?
I didn't know that you have this kind of voice, too. I don't know.
My voice is very sweet.
And it's quiet, very quiet voice. You see, I'm already very angry. See, in this life, when you want to collect something from somebody, you have to be polite. Talk to the person like a human being.
That's true.
Okay, for peace. Peace is very easy to achieve.
Very easy. Just be good, though.
The problem we human beings have is ego. Yatago. Okay, so because I've been very angry with you, because your voice has been too loud and your mouth has been too sharp, you and the right cheek, Uncle that does not have any hair on his head, and always coming with the red cap. So you have to apologize to me.
Azuka, you know now, you are my daughter. I think you know you are my daughter. And I'm an elder too. It's not as if I cannot apologize, so because even me, I'm tired of this quarrel.
Me too. I'm not tired, but I apologize to me.
My son, as you are going, so be a good boy. So I'll go to your father's house. Be a good boy.
So you can be humble like this.
So finally you are leaving.
Yes, I am leaving. You can stay as long as you want.
What is happening? Ada. I beg you back, Beje.
I am leaving. I don't want to marry again.
You are leaving? I don't understand. You are leaving as in Ona?
When the baby is born, you can come and get him or her.
So I can now comfortably sing Imama Imena Eze Jesus Ebi Mere Kadama Wena Imam. Hey! It's good! It's good!
My baby. So, how did your meeting with Azuka go?
This is not where we are doing the meeting. We have done the meeting and it went well. May God be praised.
I'm so happy.
Yes, we have made it. Huh? She let her go.
Hey! HIV. How did you manage to get it? What kind of life were you living? Help!
Mama, you stop crying. I will not die. Even if I die, my happiness is Azuka and her son now have their lives to live. Mama, you all will not suffer again. Mama, when all hopes were lost, I didn't have to finish my school. The only option I had was to become a call girl.
Call girl? Which one is call girl? Do you make calls?
No, Mama. Mama, you will not understand. But now I regret my life. Now I know I chose the wrong hustle to make money. Mama, please pray for me. At least I know Azuka and her son will not suffer. Mama, now I know I chose the wrong way to hustle. I just pray Azuka will not forget me.
Baby, you have debted us. You have debted us. I don't want you to die. I don't want you to die. I don't want you to
die. Mama, listen to me. I will not die. I have my drugs. As long as I'm taking them, I will not die. Yeah, I will not die. Hey, Mama, we have to call Azuka to alert Afam to know if he had anything unprotected with Linda, because Linda has HIV too. Linda? Yes. If I lose my phone, so I'll call her.
Linda. Linda is what? HIV positive. Jesus. Calm down, calm down. See, nothing will happen to your sister. Just calm down. Okay, I'm coming there right away. Huh? Wait for me there, I'm coming. Mmiri akamaka egwu.
Yes! My dad is very rich and I'm going to tell everybody in Abattoir school.
My son, which one is Abattoir?
It's a school in our village.
Don't worry, eh? You are now in your granddad's house, your daddy's house, right? So I'm going to put you in Royal Court Academy, where royalties are made.
Wow!
You're welcome, son.
Oh, my
Yeah,
joy
take
is
high
complete.
five.
Oh, okay, come and give me my own. Hey, this boy. Great!
Wait.
That's good.
Let me show you what I used to do in the school.
I search round and round looking for you. You were nowhere to be found.
Spider-Man! Oh, you're a Spider-Man! You're Spider-Man! That's great! I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. That's good.
Stay in my heart, stay in my life. Now that I've found you, I will never let you go. Stay